If you've been growing out your hair for a while, you probably hate the idea of cutting it. I get it. I want to hold on to every bit of length I can. But thin, scraggly ends, they're holding us back. Hello everyone, it's Zoe. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair in a V shape without layers. The reason I don't cut any layers is because my hair is very fine and I want the ends to look as thick as possible. I am not a professional hairdresser, nor did I invent this method of hair cutting. This is not a replacement for going to the salon. It is simply a technique that works for me to keep my hair looking and feeling its best while growing it out. When the ends of your hair start to get scraggly looking and see-through, also if you find your hair is tangling easier, it's probably time for a trim. For this tutorial, you will need clean, conditioned hair, a brush, a comb, a straightening iron, and some sharp scissors. Start with clean, dry, and deeply conditioned hair. This way you won't trim more than you need. Now to straighten the hair. Don't forget to use heat protection. The reason I'm doing this cut with dry, straight hair is so that I can see exactly how much length I'm losing. But if you prefer not to straighten your hair, you can skip this step and cut it wet. After you're done straightening, part your hair as perfectly as you can down the middle, all the way back to the nape of your neck. Then brush your hair forwards and take a look at your ends. This is when you should decide how much you want to take off. Comb one side of your hair, pulling it tightly between your fingers down to the ends. Keeping your head and fingers level, cut a small amount off straight across. Cut off a little more if necessary. Repeat the process on the other side. To see if both sides are even, while keeping your head level, pull both ends downwards and bring them together, centered under your chin. Make any adjustments. If you feel like the ends are too blunt, you can cut upwards into them just a little bit to make them look more natural. Because this is such a small trim, I'm going to do a dusting to get rid of any split ends remaining. First, section your hair. Then grab a small piece and run the hair through your index and middle fingers, bending it downwards. The split ends should stick out, and trim is needed. It is easiest to see your split ends in natural lighting. Enjoy your healthy hair! Even though I could have taken off a lot more, the tiniest of trims can make a huge difference. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know, and if you're looking for more, check out @unorthodol on Instagram, subscribe to my channel by clicking here, or watch another video by clicking over here. Thank you so much for watching.